Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off TalkBack in Samsung A36 or A56. If you have enabled TalkBack in your phone and you want to turn it off, so let's see how you can do this. First of all, you just have to open your settings. Just use two fingers to move your screen just like this. Then go for settings, tap on it, then double tap to enter. And here, just use your two fingers to move your screen down and look for accessibility. Here's that, tap on it, then double tap to enter, then tap on talk back, then double tap on it to enter. And here's the you just have to turn it off, just tap on it, then double tap to turn it off. Just tap on turn off, then double tap on it. So that's how you can easily turn off talk back in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.